What if I told you that you could fix scratches, silence squeaky floors, clean burnt pots, and even restore foggy headlights, all with simple items from the dollar store? Most people ignore dollar stores thinking the products are cheap and useless, but hidden inside are practical tools that can solve everyday problems and save you hundreds of dollars. Today I will share 10 powerful dollar store hacks that are easy, practical, and surprisingly effective. Let's get started. Number 10, the walnut trick for scratched floors. Hardwood floors look beautiful, but even small scratches can make them look old and damaged. Instead of buying expensive wood repair products, take a regular walnut, remove the shell, and rub the walnut meat directly over the scratch. The natural oils seep into the wood, restore moisture, and darken the scratch so it blends with the surrounding area. Let it sit for a few minutes, then gently buff with a soft cloth. This works best for light surface scratches and has been used for generations. Number 9, fixing squeaky floors. Squeaky boards are usually caused by wood rubbing against wood or nails. Rather than paying a contractor, sprinkle baby powder into the gaps between the boards and push it in with a cloth or brush. The powder acts as a dry lubricant, reducing friction and stopping the noise. Walk over the area to help it settle and wipe away excess powder to prevent slipping. Number 8, stop rugs from sliding. Sliding rugs can be dangerous and annoying. Instead of buying an expensive non-slip pad, turn the rug over and draw several wavy lines on the bottom using caulk or hot glue. Let it dry completely before placing it back down. The dried lines create grip and friction, keeping the rug in place without permanently sticking it to the floor. Number 7, saving a shrunken sweater. If your sweater shrinks in the dryer, fill a sink with lukewarm water and mix in about 1/4 cup of hair conditioner. Soak the sweater for 15 minutes to relax the fibers, then gently squeeze out excess water without twisting. Lay it flat on a towel and carefully stretch it back to its original size. Let it air dry flat. This works best on natural fibers like wool and cotton. Number 6, restoring shower water pressure. Mineral deposits can clog your shower head and reduce water pressure. Fill a plastic bag with white vinegar, tie it around the shower head so the nozzles are submerged, and leave it for several hours or overnight. The vinegar dissolves the mineral buildup. Remove the bag and run the shower to enjoy stronger water flow. Number 5, pantry organization upgrade. A messy pantry wastes space and time. Install tension rods horizontally between pantry walls to create simple dividers for stacking cans and boxes. You can also use a rod under the sink to hang spray bottles by their handles. This creates extra storage space without buying expensive organizers. Number 4, preventing bathroom mirror fog. Instead of purchasing anti-fog spray, apply a small amount of shaving cream to your mirror, spread it evenly, and wipe it clean with a dry cloth. The thin invisible layer left behind prevents fog from forming, keeping your mirror clear after hot showers. Number 3, cleaning a burnt pot. For stubborn burnt residue in stainless steel pots, place a dryer sheet inside, fill with hot water, and let it soak overnight. The softening agents help loosen the burnt food, making it easy to wipe clean the next day. Avoid using this method on non-stick cookware. Number 2, removing stains from a microfiber couch. Lightly spray rubbing alcohol onto stained areas of a microfiber couch, then gently scrub with a clean white brush in circular motions. The alcohol evaporates quickly, preventing new water stains. After it dries, brush again to restore texture. Always test a hidden area first. Number 1, restoring foggy headlights. Cloudy headlights can be cleaned with plain white toothpaste. Apply it to a cloth and rub in circular motions for several minutes, then rinse and wipe clean. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives that remove oxidation. For longer protection, apply a thin coat of clear nail polish or proper sealant. These 10 hacks prove that you do not always need expensive products to fix everyday problems. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. With a little creativity and smart thinking, you can maintain your home, protect your belongings, and save a lot of money. I hope these tips make your home cleaner, quieter, and more organized. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical and money-saving ideas. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success, savings, and a wonderful day ahead. See you in the next video.